हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स मोर स्किल्स क्लासेस की स्वागतम सुस्वागतम टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट an international anti corruption day. Anti corruption day is celebrated on 9th December and globally. International anti corruption day, as per nowadays scenario, it is necessary to raise awareness about corruption and measures that can be taken to fight it. Therefore, International Anti-Corruption Day is observed every year on 9th December globally. International Anti-Corruption Day, to achieve the Sustainable Government Development Goals, a global campaign, United Against Corruption, focuses on corruption. Let us tell you that corruption is one of the biggest obstacles to achieve the SDG. It has been seen that a person in power abuse people and so they lost their freedom, health, life and future. Corruption affects every country, region, community and no one is immune to this crime. Therefore, we should take part in fighting against corruption. International Anti-Corruption Day is celebrated worldwide under the observation of the United Nations and encourages a global fight against corruption, keeping the Sustainable Development Goal of 2030 at the apex. According to UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, corruption begets more corruption and fosters a corrosive culture of impunity. The United Nations Convention Against Corruption is among our primary tools for advancing the fight. Sustainable Development Goal 16 and its targets also offer a template for action. No doubt the main objective of the day is to eliminate corruption to make a way for a prosperous society in the whole world. Lots of activities like conferences, speeches, place with a feeling to combat corruption and performed both in the UN and respectable member states. What is corruption? According to the UN, corruption is a serious crime that can undermine social and economic development in all societies. No country, region or community is immune from corruption. It is found in all parts of the world, whether it is political, social or economical, which threatens and undermines the democratic institutions, contributes the governmental instability and slows down economic development. In easy words, we can say that corruption is dishonest or fraudulent conduct by those in power, typically involving bribery or corruption is the abuse of entrusted power for private gain and can occur in several forms. It corrodes the fabric of society. It takes people's freedom, health, money, and sometimes their lives. Sometimes has correctly said that corruption is a sweet position. Anti-Terrorism Day 2019 International Anti-Corruption Day history. In December 2003, the first step of fight against international corruption was taken by the United Nations by passing the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, UNCAC. United Nations Convention Against Corruption. It was drafted on 31st October 2003. UNAC is a treaty between UN member states which was signed on 9th December and came into effect from 18th December of 2005. The aim of the treaty was to legally bind the member of the states of work in reducing corruption and enforce law and order. 5 points were explained in the agreement. They are: to take necessary steps for preventing corruption, enforcing law and order, for reducing corruption, cooperative at the international level, recovery of asset and its return to the country of origin, to provide technical assistance and exchange of information. Let us tell you that the headquarters of UNCAC is located at Merida and New York. The Secretary General of United States act as the depository and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime is the secretary to the meetings of the nation state parties. On 9th December 2006, the first International Anti-Corruption Day is observed in India by signing the UN Convention Against Corruption. How is International Anti-Corruption Day celebrated? As we know that the International Anti-Corruption Day is organized by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP and by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC every year all over the world. All these agencies work together and with their regional partners in combating corruption at the cross borders and also to promote and encourage the exchange of information. Several personalities, politicians, notable writers, journalists and members from private organizations also come forward to make awareness regarding corruption and reaffirm their faith for the corruption-free society. Various seminars, campaigns, plays, skits, etc. were organized to provide knowledge to the public regarding corruption and how to curb it. Also, pamphlets, booklets were distributed at several places. In India also, this day is observed as an organized event by government and non-government organizations. Essay writing and speech competitions for children are organized in schools and colleges to make them aware to corruption and how they affected society. But in these regards, you have to think what they are writing the speech, essay writings and what they are giving the speeches. Their persons, their leaders, their ruling the persons, they are not following the rules and regulations. Local authorities distribute pamphlets in public by mentioning incidents of corruption and encourage people to raise their voice against corruption. Also, assurance is given to the people who register their complaints against corruption and keep their details confidential. This is also one of the moves to encourage people so that they come forward and fight with corruption. In India also, even though single rupee also they are corrupted, each and every person they have to beg, they have to corrupting. In this all aspects and all organizations, all of the employees, everyone get the more and more salaries, but they are doing and they are getting second income they are thought that second income, that is the corruption. In this all departments and all organizations, several people organize events in their locality to spread awareness and also provide knowledge to the people about the responsibilities that are entrusted upon the officials and the government. In this time, government also doing the so many projects and so many departments, they are also doing some mistakes. So that's why in this government, what they can do, following the employees also, that is the main backlog. In fact, we should support as encourage others who raise their voices. Also, we should demand transparency in the functioning of various departments. Nowadays, social media plays a vital role in spreading messages, encouraging people and provide information from every hook and corner of the country wherever corruption takes place. We take things lightly, ignore what happens around us because most people are the opinion that corruption is a part of parcel of life and nothing can be done to eradicate it. But it is necessary to understand that unless we as the citizens are not determined to do away with corruption from the roads, accept whatever wrong happened with us, then how can we accept from the government to be corruption free? In fact, the objectives of achieving sustainable development globally by 2030 is possible only if we eliminate corruption. If you have to search www.un.org.com International Anti-Corruption Day, more details. Our government and our people and come forward to take the responsibility. We can abolish the corruption. First of all, we have to start from the village and mandal and district and state, and after the nation, we have to control the anti-corruption. Because of all these things, you have to observe wherever you go, that is health issue or employment issue or job issue, whatever it may be, even though students also going to pay the some amount, that is the corruption amount. Because of all the employees, they are not doing their work, they are not doing rules and regulations. So corruption is a common thing usually. So that's why you have to abolish, you have to oppose, you have to fight for the corruption. Whenever you have to take a responsibility as an Indian citizen, all these things like that internationally or this like this globally, we can completely close the corruption. That is, each and every person is important. We fight for the corruption. Thank you, one and all. ఓకే, మోర్ స్కిల్స్ క్లాసెస్ వీక్షిస్తున్నటువంటి వీక్షకులందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. ఇలాంటి ఇంకా మునుముందుకు మంచి విషయాలతో మీ ముందుకు వస్తాను. ఒకవేళ కనుక మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.